Lovely two-story home in Lakewood Hills near beautiful Lake Monroe and Eagle Point Golf Resort. Traditional floor plan with a main level featuring an eat-in kitchen, a living room with a gas log fireplace that is open to the dining room, a laundry room complete with washer and dryer, and a powder room. All the bedrooms are upstairs. The primary bedroom features a walk-in closet and an ensuite bath. There are 2 additional bedrooms and a hall bath on this level. This home is super energy efficient with 6-inch walls, extra insulation, and Pella windows. Even the garage is insulated. Very low average electric and gas bills. The large deck overlooks the large 1/3 acre plus / nicely landscaped backyard with a useful, large 12 by 12 garden / storage shed. Outdoor time can also be enjoyed on the covered front porch on this quiet cul-de-sac. This neighborhood is a convenient location for lake lovers and crane commuters.